C. In 100 seconds, void pointers. A void pointer can hold the address of any type. The catch: you have to cast it back before you can use the value. This function takes a void pointer and a type tag. Cast to int star, float star, or char star depending on the tag. Three variables, three different types. One void pointer will point to all of them. Assign the address of x. PTR is now void star. It holds the address but forgets the type. To read the value, cast to int star, then dereference. The cast tells the compiler how to interpret the bytes. Pointed at the float, cast to float star. Pointed at the char, cast to char star. Same pointer, three types. The generic function handles all three. Pass any address and a type tag, one function for any data. Int 42, float 3.14, char a. Void pointers. The foundation of generic C code. Next up, stack versus heap.